Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook not working in your Chrome browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Now there are 3 different solutions you can try to resolve this issue, so if one doesn't work for you, simply move on to the next one. For the first solution, look at the upper right corner of your Chrome window and click on the 3 dots icon. This will open your browser menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can adjust various browser configurations. Once you're in Settings, navigate to the left sidebar and click on System. This section controls how Chrome interacts with your computer's hardware and resources. Here you'll see an option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Click the toggle button beside it to turn it on. This feature helps your browser run more smoothly by using your computer's graphics card to handle visual processing, which can often resolve issues with websites not loading properly. Now let's move on to the second solution. On the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. This section manages how Chrome handles your data and site permissions. Next, click on Third-party cookies to access cookie settings. Then click on See All Site Data and Permissions. This shows you all the stored data from websites you've visited. Click on Delete All Data and a confirmation message will appear asking you to verify this action. Simply click Delete to confirm. This clears out any corrupted cookie data that might be preventing Facebook from working correctly. Now for the third solution, which involves clearing your browsing data more comprehensively. On the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security again. Then click on Delete Browsing Data. You'll see a time range option at the top. Click the drop-down menu and select all time to ensure you're clearing everything, not just recent data. Next, you'll need to select what types of data to delete. Check the checkbox next to Browsing History, which removes your record of visited sites. Then check Cookies and Other Site Data, which clears stored login information and site preferences. Finally, check Cached Images and Files, which removes temporary files that websites save to load faster. Once all 3 are checked, click Delete Data to complete the process. This comprehensive clear-out removes any corrupted files or conflicting data that could be causing Facebook to malfunction in Chrome. And that's it. You've now tried 3 effective solutions to fix Facebook not working in your Chrome browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.